In the realm of modern warfare, the element of surprise reigns supreme. Stealth technology has emerged as a game-changer, providing a critical tactical advantage. Stealth aircraft, like the F-35 fighter jet, are designed to minimize their radar cross-section. This makes them incredibly difficult to detect by conventional radar systems. These aircraft achieve their invisibility through a combination of specialized materials and design features. Their shape deflects radar waves away from the source, while radar-absorbent materials soak up any remaining signals. The result is an aircraft that appears as a small bird, or even disappears entirely from radar screens. This technological leap has revolutionized aerial combat. Stealth aircraft can penetrate enemy airspace undetected, giving them a significant advantage in any engagement. They can deliver payloads, conduct surveillance, and engage in combat operations with a reduced risk of detection. However, the advent of Starlink, Elon Musk's ambitious satellite internet constellation, may have inadvertently unveiled a new way to pierce this veil of invisibility. Elon Musk's SpaceX has embarked on an ambitious endeavor to provide global internet coverage through its Starlink constellation. Thousands of small satellites orbit the Earth, beaming high-speed internet to even the most remote corners of the globe. This ambitious project aims to bridge the digital divide, providing internet access to underserved communities and revolutionizing communication worldwide. The sheer scale of the Starlink network, with its ever-growing number of satellites, is unprecedented. These satellites communicate with ground stations and user terminals using radio waves, creating a complex web of signals crisscrossing the planet. While the primary goal is to provide internet connectivity, researchers at the Beijing Institute of Technology have discovered a potential secondary application: detecting stealth aircraft. This unexpected discovery has sent ripples through the defense and intelligence communities worldwide, raising questions about the future of stealth technology and the role of private companies like SpaceX in global security. A recent study by the Beijing Institute of Technology has revealed a startling possibility. Elon Musk's Starlink satellite network could be used to detect stealth aircraft. This groundbreaking research suggests that the very technology designed to connect the world might also have the unintended consequence of rendering stealth technology obsolete. The researchers' findings, published in a peer-reviewed journal, detail how they were able to detect the presence of stealth aircraft by analyzing subtle disturbances in Starlink's satellite signals. These disturbances, known as Fresnel zone disruptions, occur when an object passes through the path of radio waves, causing a temporary interruption or alteration in the signal. While these disruptions are typically too small to be noticed by regular internet users, the researchers developed sophisticated algorithms to identify and analyze these subtle fluctuations. By monitoring a large number of Starlink satellites simultaneously, they were able to pinpoint the location and trajectory of stealth aircraft with remarkable accuracy. This discovery has sent shockwaves through the defense and intelligence communities, as it challenges the long-held assumption that stealth technology provides an impenetrable shield against detection. Fresnel zone disruption: seeing the unseen. To comprehend how Starlink might compromise stealth technology, we must first grasp the concept of Fresnel zone disruption. Imagine radio waves as ripples spreading outward from a pebble dropped in a pond. These ripples represent the signal path between a Starlink satellite and a ground station. Now imagine a stealth aircraft passing through this path. Though designed to be invisible to radar, it still occupies physical space and interacts with these radio waves. This interaction causes a slight bending and scattering of the waves, disrupting the signal in a specific pattern. A Fresnel zone disruption. Think of it like the aircraft casting a fleeting shadow within the radio wave ripples. While individually minuscule, with enough Starlink satellites observing from different angles, these disruptions form a detectable pattern. Shifting sands: the impact on global military strategies. The potential for Starlink to detect stealth aircraft has profound implications for global military strategies. For decades, stealth technology has been a cornerstone of military dominance, particularly for countries like the United States with significant investments in stealth aircraft. The ability to conduct reconnaissance and engage in combat operations without detection has provided a strategic edge in numerous conflicts. However, if Starlink can indeed pierce the veil of stealth, this advantage could be significantly diminished. Countries that have relied heavily on stealth technology may need to rethink their military doctrines and invest in alternative strategies. Meanwhile, nations that have lagged behind in stealth development may see this as an opportunity to level the playing field. The potential for Starlink to be utilized for military surveillance also raises concerns about escalation and the blurring of lines between civilian and military technologies. Challenges and concerns. Navigating the technological and ethical landscape. While the potential of Starlink for stealth detection is intriguing, significant technical challenges remain. Weather conditions, signal noise from other sources, and the sheer computational power required to analyze vast amounts of data pose significant hurdles. Distinguishing between a stealth aircraft and other objects that might cause similar signal disruptions, such as birds or drones, also presents a complex challenge. Furthermore, the ethical implications of utilizing a civilian technology like Starlink for military purposes are profound. The potential for misuse, privacy violations, and the escalation of global conflicts raise serious concerns. International cooperation and regulations may be necessary to ensure responsible use and prevent a new arms race in space. The dual-use nature of technologies like Starlink highlights the complex relationship between innovation, national security, and ethical considerations in the 21st century. Starlink's future, a new era in global security? The discovery that Starlink could be used to detect stealth aircraft has thrust this seemingly innocuous satellite internet constellation into the heart of global security debates. Whether Starlink will become a tool for military surveillance or remain primarily a force for global connectivity is yet to be seen. However, one thing is certain, this discovery has irrevocably altered the landscape. It raises profound questions about the future of warfare, the role of private companies in national security, and the ethical implications of technological advancements. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, it is crucial that we engage in thoughtful and informed discussions about the potential consequences, both intended and unintended, of these innovations. The future of global security may very well hinge on our ability to navigate these complexities responsibly.